Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm down at my allotment again and I've just been doing a few bits and pieces since I've been here. I've just gone through my pumpkin and courgette bed and just checking to see they're alright. I've got a few what's just rotting down for some reason, and then up here, let my cameraman follow me slowly. I've just taken the cover off of this bed here just to square this up. It's not exactly square yet. I'm just put them there for now until when I've got the rest of stuff, because I want to see, I need to get some more scaffold boards, but I want to get 13 feet one, because what I was thinking is just making this bed and that bed a bit longer, because that bed is exactly 13 feet. These ones are 8 feet by 4 foot, so I've just put that. So that's what I've been doing since this morning, just leveling it off. And then what I'm going to do now, it's that time of year now where you need to be preparing for the winter. And you see my cucumbers up here. I spreaded out some of this out of here. I don't know what I'm going to do with all this in here. I might probably spread it out along here. You see my courgettes and my cucumbers have done their course. Look at this. Look how many cucumbers is on that, just on that one stem. Got 5 cucumbers on that stem alone, one over there. So there's still cucumbers in there. I'll have to pick those the next time I come. I don't need any at home. And still got some over on that one as well. So these can come out. And once these come out, then it's just the pumpkin. Got a butternut squash here, although it's a small one. Got butternut squash there, little small butternut squash there, pumpkin there. I didn't even realise I had a courgette on. There was a courgette left on there. There's a courgette left on there, and then things are starting to go down. These are still all healthy, so these are my peppers, my pepinos and that. Funny enough, I haven't even seen it. Pepinos flowered several times, but I haven't seen no pepinos on there. Still got red and black peppers over there, some sweet peppers still. The courgette's done its time. The roses and that, next time I come down. Was meant to do that today, get all these brambles out and deadhead, but I ended up going down because they're not getting the compost so often. When you see it, you have to get it, so that's what my car is full of, it of manure at the moment. So what I'm going to start doing is this bed here, I'm going to put it in bags. I'm going to put it in plastic bags and just leave them and pile this up. And then once I've got that one pile up and I sorted out this one, I'm going to do that. So once the weather comes or winter comes and I dig out the beds, I've got all the compost and manure and everything ready just to spread out and dig in. I'm going to do it twice. I'm going to dig over. I want to put a layer on these beds about December, January time, and then when it's near the season, like March time, I'll put another layer in and dig that in. Then we should be good to go for next season. So that's what's happening at the moment. See, everything's coming on. I've still got Still got my carrots, I ain't thinned those out yet. Still got some lettuce, which is going to seed, but I still use that. Got a sweet potato, the cho-cho just grown this year. Leaps and bounds, put on strength and everything, and not even one fruit to write about or anything, so I don't know. That's something that I'm gonna have to see. Someone said to me it might come up again next year and then produce, but I'm not sure about it. Got French beans. Got loads of French beans off of here. My cameraman come in. Purple ones are just starting to come now. Butter beans. I've got to take off all these before I go today because I don't want them to, then I can freeze them. See, all the butter beans are starting to come now, so I've got to just leave these for a little bit longer till when they swell up more. You can see the peas or the bean inside, and then once you start to see the bean, you pick them up, put them down for a couple of days until the shell gets soft. Then once the shells get soft, then you can just take the beans out and dry the beans, or you can use them or freeze them or do what you want with them. I've taken the cover off of here. The sweet potato, what's in the ground, is still there. I've got some kohlrabi there. These are broccoli and pak choy. Like the pak choy, I don't know, I've grown this pak choy before and it always goes to flower, so I'm going to have to see about what one. Got something biting up the leaves of these, but I can't see no caterpillars or anything. Because if I saw caterpillars, then I would know how to deal with them, but there ain't no caterpillars, so I'm having a feeling that it's spiders or something like that. So I don't see no caterpillars. But the sweet potato, what I put in the ground, it was just a trial, whether we get any or not. But they were planted late in the season, but you can see they're putting on a nice growth display. So corn is still got corn in. Still got corn. It's starting to dry up now, so I've got to sort this out when I come back down. Take off all the cobs and what's good, and then freeze them. Still got an aubergine here. Well, there was a few little small ones on there, but as you can see, it's got aubergines on there, but we've never eaten them, so I don't know what to do with them. I'm gonna leave those till next time. And then this New Zealand spinach is going over the back there, so I've got to sort that out as well. I should have done that today, but it's going to take a while to sing. So there you can see my flowers, my gladiolis are put on a nice display. I thought the bulbs were dead, and then these are the ones that are, the flowers that are planted for the bees, and that they came on nice. Still got some cabbages in, some heads of broccolis coming back. These ones are sprouting broccolis. Still got some chard. Planted some spinach and pak choy here. I can see them just starting to come through. I hope that's them. So I've got to water those I think I showed you the pumpkin. These are the yacons. Well, they've grown leaps and bounds and flowering. That's what you're meant to be looking for, little flowers on them. So that's telling me that it likes that spot there. And the pumpkins, I've got to next year now when I've taken all this out, got to put a nice big thick layer of manure in there as soon as I take them out, dig that in, then put another layer on top, because the dirt up here, I don't know if you saw the video when it was here, it was just pure brambles and bushes and stinging nettles and everything. Took my time and dug it out and put my courgettes and pumpkin up here so that it can do what they'll like. But I think the dirt up here needs treating or needs fertilising and everything in there, so I think if I can dig it in twice or 3 times up here, then that's what I'm going to do. But we'll see how it goes. So that's what's going on. Got a car full of manure, what I just brought that round. I had to go around the far end to get this because they're not dropping any up this end. So this, I'm going to leave these in the bags and pile them up on top of each other for now, and then build a, when they go down I put more on, and once the other bed comes available then I start putting them there. But I'm going to leave it in the bags for now, because now and then let it rotten down more. Now it's going to go right down, but then that's what I'm looking for. So that's what's going on for today. Got to water. I never showed you the polytunnel, everything's still all right in there. Don't know, got another few weeks, got about another 3-4 weeks before I see what's going on with these sweet potatoes. But this is the one what I brought from home. See my sugar cane, this is coming along. This is a sweet potato what I bought from home. I think this is a physalis what's starting to flower now, hope it is. My lemon tree, my guava. Gonna put some fertilizer in these before I go. The pepino, the tomatoes, still getting tomatoes off of that one. My banana plants. Let my cameraman go in, show you. The problem what I'm having is getting that grass at the back is just getting out of hand now. So once I got some of it out, but it's stretching over and thing, I would have to take everything out. But once the growing season's at the end, then I'll sort out in there a lot better for the winter. What I might do, these banana plants and that, I might put in the little shed, because it's that would be more sealed in there, and anything else what I know is going to last through the winter and I need to put out, then I'll put them in that shed, because this one, I'm not sure about this, if it's going to last the winter, because this cover is just absolutely cheap and useless. But you know, you just have to work with what you can get hold of at the time, and a polycarbonate one is going to set me back a bit of money. That's what I would prefer to have here, a longer polycarbonate one, because I can go right back a bit more at the back, so I can have a bit more length. If I had a polycarbonate one, then I can sort out the flooring more better and everything like that. But it's a work in progress, we're just getting there. The channel's just starting to grow, so I hope you all like the content what we're putting out. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Don't just only watch the ads as well. It helps us to help others buy our seeds and do other things what I want to show you and stuff like that. So watch the ads, If you want to leave us a tip or a cup of tea or anything, the super thanks is there. You can buy us a cup of tea or anything like that. So I hope you all enjoy this one. I'm going to carry on getting these bags out of the car. Then once I've done that, I'm going to just give these things a feed and water, and then that's it for today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.